What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. My name is Joven, and Volte INU Army, you guys have been crushing it in everything you've been doing, guys. The team is going insane with the updates. The community, the Volte INU Army, is going insane with sharing the project, letting people know about the project. This project is one of the most bullish projects on the ERC20 blockchain and crypto in general. If you're a proud holder of Volte INU, do me a favor, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and watch the video until the end so you don't miss anything. Now, before we get into the video, just gotta let you guys know, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. It is very risky, very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, if we head over to CoinMarketCap real quick and take a look at the broader market, as you guys could see, Bitcoin has been in this range around the $16,000 to $17,000 range for a bit, and Ethereum has been in that range as well, from around $1,000 to $1,400. So not much has changed in the market against everything that happened with the SBF Black Swan event. And I really just think it's gonna be macro factors that start to push us back to the upside, as far as, like, you know, the Fed reducing interest rates and pivoting. Now, if we go and check out Volte INU, the bullish project, one of the most bullish projects in crypto right now, literally going against the grain and having its own bull run in a bear market. Volte is not to play with, guys. Ranked number 230 on CoinMarketCap. It was a lot higher earlier, but right now it's going through a bit of a retrace because it had a huge move to the upside. 20,174 people has it on their watch list, down 9.4% because of a bit of a retrace. $6.578 million in trade volume, up 8%. That trade volume is insane, guys. Look at this huge massive move to the upside. We'll also check out DEX too so we could have a closer look at the chart, but huge massive move to the upside, got into the top 200, and now it retraced back down a bit, you know what I'm saying, because after huge run-ups there's always gonna be retraces. Volte is always getting listed on new centralized exchanges, but as you guys can see from right here, majority of the volume is still from Uniswap, a decentralized exchange, which is very bullish in itself too, you know what I'm saying. $1 million in trade volume there, and $1.26 million in trade volume on Gate.io. So as we could see here, Volte, hot number 4 trending on DEX tools, $121 million in market cap. Not sure where it peaked out at, you know what I'm saying, before it started to retrace, but it definitely did get in the top 200 on CMC. It was a sight, guys. I know the Volte Army was super hyped to see that. Now we're having a bit of a correction, you know what I'm saying. I'm on the day chart. Let's go to the 1 hour. As you guys can see, we had a huge move to the upside, and now we're having a retrace. People are taking profits. That is a normal thing, you know what I'm saying, but this is the time you can make an entry because it did retrace. You get in on the red, you know what I'm saying, never FOMO into the green, and then you could sit comfy with your investment. If it drops more, ECA in, you know what I'm saying. That is the smartest move to make. As always, guys, never invest more than you're willing to lose in any project, just to be on the safer side. But a project like Volte is so freaking bullish, man. Anytime I interact with the community, I make a post on Twitter, huge amounts of likes and retweets. It shocks me just how active and engaged the Volte INU community is. I've never seen anything like it, and you know what I'm saying, you just can't help but wonder how well this project will perform in the future. You know what I'm saying, never rule anything out in crypto. When we hop over to Twitter and type in the hashtag Volte, you can see here, guys, 1,030 tweets in the last hour. Community, the social engagement, so insane, right? And when it's hashtag Volte, we're not talking about, you know, the electrical bill or science class. We're talking about Volte INU, one of the most bullish projects, if not the most bullish project on the ERC20 Ethereum blockchain right now, heading into the future. The crypto space is about to get vaulted and burned forever. I was in Pablo's stream. Shout out to Pablo CRO for all the great work that he does. And I saw the preview when it was released of Volte Change, guys. It was an insane preview. We got to see just a sneak peek of what the user interface of Volte Change looks like. I could already imagine the amount of projects that would be super happy to be on Volte Change. Shiba, Floki, Baby Doge, Dogelan, all rushing to get on Volte Change so their projects can get burned through Volte Change. With all those transactions happening on Volte Change, you gotta really wonder just how hyper deflationary Volt will become. The supply crunch that Volt will get will be some next level stuff, guys. Don't sleep on Volt. I'm telling you, don't sleep on this project. This is one of the few that you don't sleep on in this space. The listings just never stop for Volt. A tweet from BNB Swap, huge account, 258k followers. Volt INU official will be listed on ChainX.io. 243 likes, 147 retweets. This will be on the 23rd of November. Listing after listing, guys. It is crazy just how far this project is going. We have another tweet from Coin Mummy. Volte Change MVP 15. ADA. Rise and shine. Some projects are just early. ADA is often subject to predictions, yet really understood. The future is bright for Cardano, and in the meantime, it's sitting in the top 3 most staked crypto. Staking Volt would be pretty cool too. Something like that in the works, guys. That would be pretty insane to see as well. The more utility for Volt, the better. Tweet from Crypto Santa. Volt, insane plus 100% pump over the last week, breaking previous highs during a bear market. Now listed on 60 plus centralized exchanges with more coming, and a NASDAQ interview coming soon. Also heard a rumor about some tier 1 centralized exchange listings in 2023 for Volt. You know I like them rumors, guys. Crypto is all about speculation because 99% of the projects in crypto are a speculative asset. So when you have mystery surrounding the project, speculation surrounding the project, it really helps, you know what I'm saying? Because people like to wonder. It's all psychological, guys. I'm really interested to see this NASDAQ interview and what tier 1 exchange could be happening for next year. 60 plus centralized exchanges for Volt, guys. Like I said, exchanges will be rushing to get their hands on Volt because they see the amount of trade volume it has, and it just helps their exchange, you know what I'm saying? It also creates ease of access for new retail investors, especially people that are new to crypto that don't know much about Uniswap, to have a chance to get their hands on Volt. Crypto Sensei tweeted, found out about Volt from a friend and was impressed. Volt INU Army, you guys. Strongest community in the crypto space, man. You see right here, guys, he found out about Volt from a friend because you guys are spreading the word and are so based. And then when someone does their research on Volt, they'll see that the team is also super based, doing their best to develop the project as well. Listed on 60 plus centralized exchanges, just revealed their upcoming decks, and already partnered with several firms and athletes. Also has a 1+ million buyback and burn coming up. Sounds promising. You look into the Uniswap ERC20 space and you go through a ton of projects. None of them really compare to Volt, you know what I'm saying? It's one of those ones that has that potential to change lives in the future, the same way Sheep Doge, Fed Kishu, Akita did in the last cycle, Hokkaido Inu did in the last cycle, guys. Volt is one of those ones that's primed to be one of the top projects for the next cycle. Tweet from Sheep Holder, Shiba Inu burn rate is up 99% in the last 24 hours, 2.4 million Sheep burned. And then we have a reply from the official Volte INU account. Imagine the burn rate if the Sheep army comes to Volte. Shiba INU second only to Doge when it comes to meme coins, and the Sheep army super strong community. Imagine they get their hands on Volte Change and say, whoa, if I use Volte Change, I could burn Shiba and help the price of Shiba to grow. I guess I'm using Volte Change from now on. Like, it's all psychological, guys. It will be insane just how far Volt and other projects on Volte Change go in the future with everything getting burned. Luna Classic as well. The Luna community is a very strong community, and they have been, you know, doing their best to figure out a way to burn Luna Classic. Imagine they get their Loon C burned on Volte Change. They'd be super happy to have another option to get Loon C burned, and Volte Change could be that option, guys. The official Volte INU tweeted, "Happy 11 months anniversary Volte Army from I am Kobe Johnson." USC basketball, okay. Athlete tweeting about Volte, guys. Let's vote like the USC Hoops did yesterday. And Kobe Johnson is a part of the USC team, basketball team. Super bullish to see. Let's check this out real quick.
Just want to wish Vitoshi a happy birthday. The most vaulted project was born last December. Real Diamond Hand's been holding since launch. I can't begin to tell you how lucky Volte is to have launched Volte Change. The burning is pure excitement.
Hey, huge big ups to Volte, man. Huge props to Volte and the Volte community. You know what I'm saying? Imagine, you see how far it grew in 11 months? Imagine another 11 months. Rodney tweeted, Volte has the potential to be the next great meme cryptocurrency to hold a multi-billion-dollar market cap. Volte INU is still sitting in the middle of a bear market. What do you think, Volte Army? This is the same thing that I agree with. It could be the next project to hold a multi-billion-dollar market cap, and it's sending in a bear market. So if it's sending in a bear market, right? Imagine in a bull market when there's so many new retail investors, so much new money coming into the space. How far could it go in a bull market? Volte INU tweeted, so many things coming that even ESPN Mario Kempes is voted. 687k followers, guys. Tweet from Cyber People, has anyone even thought what would happen if Volte pulls an XRP? That would be something. Whoa, hold on. Dang, these charts look similar. What? These charts look so similar. So this is a Volte on this side right here, and this is what XRP did. Dang. Who knows what could happen? Crypto is very unpredictable. I love to see TA for Volte, you know what I'm saying? It always makes me smile. Valerie's Crypto Hub tweeted, she was the best performing meme last year. Volte INU is on track to become the best performing meme this year. Volte has been a standout in a bear market, nothing but facts. One could only imagine what Volte INU could do during a prolonged bull market. Never stop voting. Literally just said this, you know, earlier. If it's performing so well in a bear market, what could it do in a year-long, 2-year-long bull market? My mind is like on the brink of imploding trying to fathom that, guys. Many of you were looking for updates about this partnership with Nutra Finance. Nutra Finance is the first nutraceutical custom manufacturing token in crypto history. We are doing big things. Don't miss our upcoming space on the 22nd at 7 p.m. EST. Okay, so they have a space coming up with another partnership that is locked in with Nutra Finance. I just love that, you know, with Volte INU, they're always getting things done, you know what I'm saying? Every step they take leads to bigger success in the future. Doesn't always have to be big steps. Sometimes it's just, you know, baby steps until you get to that, you know, next level. And a final tweet from Penito, 28k followers. Volte is absolutely full on sending it. 150 mil plus in the midst of the worst beer since 2018. Volte INU is crushing other mid-cap meme coins. Just look at this chart, guys. It is a sight to see. I was in the Volte Telegram and I was just, interacting with the community, and someone said Volte is the bull market. The bear market just doesn't exist for Volte. Once again, Volte Army, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. If you enjoyed the video, I really like to see you guys comment down below your thoughts on the project. What are you most looking forward to with Volte? If this is your first time hearing about Volte, let me get your thoughts in the comment section as well. Everything Volte and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.